Namaste, this is Mansi Gulati, your face yoga expert. How to prevent wrinkles. As we get older, the muscle in our face and body become weaker. This is important because there are actually 57 muscles in the face that contribute to a younger looking complexion. Through regular practice of face yoga, you can boost oxygen and blood supply to the muscles in the face. This enables deeper detoxification and give your skin the ingredient it needs to rejuvenate it and stay youthful. So guys, let's do the asana. We always say prevention is better than cure. So let's do exercises that help to prevent fine lines and wrinkle. We'll start from lower, then middle, then upper face. So we'll start from lower facial muscle. First exercise, you are going to place your hand here. Just place your hand very slowly. Look up. Feel the stretch. Come forward. Okay guys, now we are going to do lioness pose. Let's do it together. Just place your hand here only. Very slowly, look up. Pull your tongue out. And release. This is very good for activating muscle, for the blood circulation, a really good asana. We'll do it again guys. Every asana we have to perform for 3 times. Just hold here very slowly, look up. Try to stretch. Amazing. Relax. I can feel a beautiful stretch now. Place your hand, gentle rotation. Face yoga is a combination of exercises, breathing exercises, acupressure, massages and mantra. So try to combine this 5 component whenever you are doing face yoga. Anytime, anywhere, of course, we can do exercises and try to spare at least 20 minutes every day for beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. Okay, now let's do one more exercise, guys. Again, you are going to place your hand. Look toward your right side. Do not move your shoulder. Pull your tongue out. Relax, release. We'll do this again. Amazing. Relax. I can feel the beautiful stretch. So really good. Now guys, let's focus on my another pose which is also very good for our laughing line. You're going to make a balloon and hold your breath. If you want, you can close your eyes, do this asana. Hold your breath, be there for 20 count. Relax guys, release. Now fill your mouth with air again. Count. Really good for a beautiful glowing skin. You can see amazing result. Okay guys, now let's do my third exercise. This is really good. In this pose, you are going to place your tongue. Try to touch the tip of your nose. It's easy. Pull it upward. If not, Just place your finger here and try to touch. While doing this, we can feel the stretch here. Let's do it again. Amazing, guys. Now again, place your tongue center of our mouth, palate, and smile. Tilt your head back. Feel the stretch around your neck region. Really good exercise, guys. Let's do this again. Place your tongue. Relax, release. Okay guys, now let's focus on our upper facial muscle, forehead area. So let's do the best exercise. You're going to place your hand here, slightly pull it down, raise your eyebrows up as much you can. Relax, release. Hold. Pull it down, guys. Raise your eyebrows up. Release. One more time. Release. Do the gentle massage. Arch of your forehead. Do the gentle massage. We'll do the short recap of all the asana. Place your hand, tilt your head back, tilt your head up, and pull your tongue out. Release. Look toward your right side, pull your tongue out. Relax, change the side. Amazing. Okay, now we'll try to touch tip of our nose. Stretch it. Make sure it should be straight, guys. Feel the stretch. Now another pose. Center. Tip of our tongue, center of our mouth. Smile. Smile as much you can. Relax, release. Do the light tapping. Relaxation is important. Now let's do the forehead pose, guys. Placing our hand, slightly stretch it down, pull it down, raise your eyebrows up. Wide, eyes wide as much you can, guys. And release. Gently massage side of your forehead, temporal region. Just do the light massage here, chin area, center of your neck. Release all stress and pain. Gently rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes, head down. Very light massage, palm close to your chest. Open your palm, open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Hope you like the video. Do like and share, and please do follow diet also. Exercises are important. Diet also plays very important role. If possible, after 5, no oily food, no junk food, drink lot of water, keep your body always hydrated. See you again guys. Thank you.